Hi everybody, thanks for joining me for another video. Today is going to be a monthly plan with me for February of 2018, and this is in my So Much Crafting inserts, which are the month-end shoe pages, Sunday through Saturday, number 802. And I'm going to use another kit from Cricut Paper Co. I'll link my last video here for the January. And you guys saw, I was all like, oh, Cricut Paper Co. paper comes up super easily. And then I ripped my planner to shreds. So we're going to try really hard to avoid that this time. And I'm going to go a little slower. So I might fast forward me putting down a lot of this stuff. And then I'll come back and kind of tell you guys like what's going on. And I'm not sure where I'm going to start with this because I feel like I had trouble with the sidebar. So I might want to try that first, and then we have this to cover here, and then an additional day to cover right here, and then additional here to cover down here. I mean, you could switch these, I suppose, but then you'd have like one dark purple glitter box here with floral, and then the rest of that would be here. I don't know. I'll probably put these all up at the top, and then this one at the bottom. Yeah, I don't know. Should I start with the sidebar? I feel like maybe I should. I should probably tell you what's in here. So there's the two headers, the boxes to cover the days that are not in the month. You have 4 paydays. This is all one sidebar, and you have room to write labels. And then you have bill dues, the numbers, and some asterisks. And this format changes depending on what the month looks like. Like last month, I had some other stuff that I don't have this month, but that's totally fine. I don't know, guys. Okay, we're going to start with the sidebar, I guess. And I think I'll start at the top. See, I think I still goofed that up because I have space in there. Oops, I'm like peeling up my cover a little bit. I'll have to re-glue that. But I think it's maybe straight. And then do I put the February on this side, or do I put the February on that side? Oh no, I guess I have to put it on this side because it says Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That would be good to pay attention to. So we definitely have to line up like that. So if this is straight, we can probably lean it up against that. And then hope to goodness sake I can get it across there. Ooh, that like, is that off the page? Might be a little bit off. I might have to trim that. I think this was supposed to go under the black line because I have black line left down here. So I might have been just a hair too high. And then this one, we need to start over top of Wednesday. Come on. Okay. I got that one down. Okay, so that is super, super pretty. And then, like I said, we have these other boxes that go where we don't have days in the month because these would have been in January. I can't believe I'm talking about February already. Whew, so pretty. Do you guys plan in these inserts? If you do, let me know your favorite shops for monthly kits because, ooh, yeah, definitely a little off there because you can see that whole line. That's okay. So note to self, inside of the black line. I felt like I didn't have a ton of selection. I really like Cricut Paper Co., but I don't necessarily want to use Cricut Paper Co. every single month. And printables are fine because I have a silhouette now, which is exciting because now I can cut printables. I should probably go across the top first. Okay, definitely better. And then I'm going to put in 2 paydays. One for January, which would be here. And I'm just going to use the dark purple to kind of blend in because it's not really the payday for this month. And then I'll use the light purple on here. Oops, a little crooked. And then we also have a bill due that day, so maybe this like pinky color. This will be my Sprint and Amazon Prime bill. What else? We have Simply Gilded on the 17th. We have car insurance on the 15th. And I put these down for the ones that are auto debit, basically, because if I schedule them, then like I don't necessarily know when they're gonna fall. I usually do like right around the beginning of the month, but sometimes it'll be the 1st or the 2nd or the 3rd or whatever. Okay, I'm not getting this one down straight at all. There we go. I guess it's a little crooked. That one's Glam Planner. And then I have Planner Society. I'll put that one on the 2nd. That's when it typically, like the 2nd or the 3rd, seems like. I think those are all the ones that are like auto. I mean, like this is Rent and some other ones that will get scheduled, but yeah. Okay, I think, I don't know if I have any other way to mark stuff. Like I can put other bills down here and then, yeah, I don't know. I don't have any other little like boxes or anything, so I'll probably just be writing on the planner. Let me look at my collection to see if I have anything I want to add, and then I'm also going to put all the numbers in off camera. They are little squares, so they're pretty easy to put in, but they're so small. I'll use some tweezers and I'll put those in, and then I will be back. Okay, I'm back. So you can see I put all the numbers on. They're mostly straight. And then I grabbed a few things out of my collection to use. So I have these bow clip boxes from Fox and Pip in the grayscale because they have a gold paper clip on them, and then they're just kind of neutral. I have these little holidays from Triton Plans, and I might go back and put some of these other ones in, but some of these are for February. I have my no school stickers from my newest addiction. And then I have this sampler from Let's Plan It because I want to use a couple of these other gold and purple colored things. I have the mini alarm clocks from Planning Roses so I can mark an appointment if I need to. I have Happy Anniversary from Pink Sunshine Designs, but I think on Etsy she's Pink Sunshine Supplies. I always get confused. I always have to search for her shop and then figure it out. And then I have this birthday sheet from A Heartfelt Life with purple either presents or cakes. So I have a couple different things for birthdays, but that's okay. So first thing is Groundhog Day is February 2nd, I believe. Yes, February 2nd. So and these are like mini. I had them in script that I used in my Erin Condren last year, but I have my Rose Colored Days ones now. So I figured I would use this sheet for this because they're so itty bitty, which is perfect. Let's see, we have Valentine's Day. We have President's Day. So Valentine's Day is the 4th. Oops. Good thing that didn't stick down yet. The 14th. And then do we have Chinese New Year on there? I don't see it. If you see it, let me know. And then President's Day is the 19th, which is the day that we have no school. I have to work, but we don't have school. I think that's all of the holidays I need to mark. I was looking at my Erin Condren because Mardi Gras must be in March. Yeah, those must be other times. Okay, then, well, I know what day it is. Let's mark the no school. And this will probably be too wide for this box because these are meant for the Erin Condren, but I figured it's okay. They're like just a small script, so not a huge deal. It's just trying to center it a little bit. Okay, not perfect, but so no school that day. I have to work, but the kids don't go, and because of that, I'm going to mark no school, but I'm also going to mark it with a bow box because I still have to work, and it's called Data Day, so we're going to mark that here. And I like that these are kind of whimsical because you don't have to like line them up perfectly straight, and it still looks cute. Then like I said, we have a happy anniversary sticker, and I'm going to use the black one just because the gold one is much bigger, and that will be on the 13th. This will be my 9 months with my boyfriend. We have a happy birthday sticker, and we have a get it done. And I'm going to put the get it done here because these top ones will probably be bills. And then we have a happy birthday on the 15th. I might put this one on the 4th for my friend Krista's birthday. And then, where's the presents? And then I'll use a present on, which one goes better? I think this one goes better. On the 15th, because it's a little smaller, because I already have a bill due there. Let's see, so Data Day, anniversary, birthdays, we have a board meeting also on the 19th. I guess I can write that in the same box. I did payday and I did Valentine's Day, so I think that's everything. Or I guess I could put one of these with it. This is what I typically use for meetings. We'll just stick it with it. That's fine. Yeah, I think that's all I wanted to mark. I can use these if I need to mark more stuff. Oh, I was going to mark, I'll probably see my friend on Saturday the 3rd. I think I've talked about that before, that we try to get together the first Saturday of every month. So I'll put that there. And then I had 2 asterisks on the sheet that I think I might use to make like a little list of some other things that get paid on the 1st. Maybe I'll use the darker one first since the date cover is light. I think that's crooked, but we're not going to worry about it. Okay. Am I done now? I think I am. So this is my spread. Again, I'll put bills and things, goals here, or things to do. And then that is everything. So Cricut Paper Co. plus some other shops, just because the sheet had so many of the coverings. I didn't have very many like boxes to use, but all I have left of that is 2 paydays because I only get paid once a month, and I just put the January payday down because I had the sticker. Otherwise I only need 1 per month. So yeah, I think it's really, really cute. I like that it's pretty and girly, but it's not necessarily like Valentine's Day. But my one for my Erin Condren will be, well, it should already be posted, but it will be very pink. So I went a little bit of a different route for this one, and I think it's gorgeous. So again, if you know any shops that make monthly kits for the So Much Crafting inserts, please leave them down below so that I can check out some other shops. And again, it doesn't matter if they're printable or if they are pre-printed stickers. I would just love to know more shops. And I guess I need to start looking for a March one because it'll be here before you know it. And with shipping and everything, sometimes you have to be careful. Okay, I think that's everything for today. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever. Leave it down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Happy February. Bye!